Hey guys, good morning. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Now, every morning or most of the mornings, I try to come up with videos that might be of help or might be news that you might want to know about. And just for the new people who are here, I do not have the camera turned on in the morning videos, but I do have my camera turned on in the evening videos. All right, so look at this. Take a symbol, CEG. All right, now they have this insider buys reported as of May 18th to May 22nd. I would say on an average of about $2.02 that you can see here. Right, here's the prices that every insider bought. And the amount that they bought, the amount is right here. All right, this is the amount. So I'm sorry, the cash amount. So $98,000, $488,000, $5,000, $488,000, and so on. All of this within May 18th to May 22nd for ticker symbol GEG. I think that's very interesting because this is a micro cap company that, it's making some changes. All right, let's just say that positive changes. Does that mean that I trust this company 100%? That I think it's going to be an amazing stock? I don't know. As of now, not yet, but I do think that it will go higher. Right, so we had that insider buy the past 5 days. As you can see, the stock is already up 10%, I believe, the past 5 days. And the PE ratio is at 307. So far, so good, right? After hours, 207. Still very close to the insider buys, right? So Great Elm Group, this is the company, Great Elm Group Incorporation. This company engages in the durable medical equipment and investment management businesses. The company distributes respiratory care equipment, including positive air pressure equipment and supplies, ventilators, oxygen equipment, replacement parts, as well as provides sleep study services and rents medical equipment. It also offers investment management services. The company was formerly known as Great Elm Capital Group and has changed its name to Great Elm Incorporation in December of 2020. Although that part, if I'm correct, that part was sold off to JP Morgan. Let's go and look at something else. Back on February 13, 2023 was their last earnings. The company had a revenue of $1.88 million for that second quarter, and they had 84.3% increase in revenue year over year, GAAP EPS of positive 74 cents. If we look at the revenue on a yearly basis, tiny, but actually growing massively. And it's beautiful, to be honest. There's nothing better than seeing a company that every single year, the growth of their revenue is green, right? Constant increase, up 20%, 762%, up 15%, up 3%, up 11%, right? So they went from having a $4.9 million revenue in 2017 to having now nearly $68 million in 2022. So they're growing really awesome. Is their debt massive? We'll look at that in a little bit. GEG announced 2 transformative deals today, closing out an eventful 2022 in a position of strength. This was in 2022. This is how they closed the year 2022. But I wanted to mention this because this was actually good for the company, and it really does help the company to be actually right now to be very as far as the valuation. I want to say that the valuation of this company right now is very attractive. This company is truly trading very cheap. Doesn't mean that for sure it's going to succeed, but if we want to base it on valuation, this is a very, very attractive valuation for the stock. They had a sale of GEG's majority ownership interest in Forest. This was approximately $45 million that they received for selling to JP Morgan, $18 million from sale of 61% of the common equity to Forest, and then they received $27 million expected from the right to put the remaining 90% ownership and interest in Forest. Also, they had a sale of GEG's DME business for $80 million. That was $26 million cash and 346,000 shares of QUIP stock net to GEG after repayment of obligations and so on. If we look at the total debt, it was, it's been up and down, right? The last total debt was 2022 was 67.8, so basically the same exact as the revenue, right? The total assets are at 168 million. Total liabilities they're at 125 million. So overall, Great Elm Group Incorporation had a huge insider buy recently. I think that as a swing trade, it could more than likely work out really well The only risks that I see, now we're not talking about long-term investment, right? I'm not committed. I wouldn't personally commit yet, but for a swing trade, I would, right? I have no position as of doing the video right now, but I want to talk about the risks, right? The risks in taking a position, let's say today in this, in hopes of swing trading this, would be the debt ceiling. I think that's it. It has nothing to do with the company, but it has to, it's the debt ceiling talks with the U.S. government trying to fix that issue there with the Democrats and Republicans. And if they keep having a huge drama about it and take it to the last minute or fail even to reach an agreement, obviously Great Elm Group and every single stock on the market is going to be affected in a very negative way. So I think that's the most obvious risks that I would see, because this is a swing trade. Like I said, if I was talking about long term, I would talk about, well, the debt might be increasing and so on, when we would be talking about something else. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. I hope you have a good trading day today, and take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.